everybody, it's Miss Carrie from South Fayette Township Library and Bridgeville Public Library, and it's time for Healthy and Homemade. So, what we're going to be doing today is making bath bombs, which is really cool. So let's take a look at what we'll need. Alright, so now that we know what you'll need, let's get started. So, I'm actually going to use one of our Take and Make kits that we have available at the library. So inside it has all of the ingredients that you'll need to use. They should have them separated out already by the amount that you'll need, which is kind of nice. All right, so first what we're going to get started by doing is we're going to take our baking soda, our citric acid, and our cornstarch, and we're going to put them in my mixing bowl, and then we're going to mix it up. You can use a fork or you can use a whisk, whatever you would like. You can use essential oils if you would like. I'm not going to do that today, but it is recommended that you use almond oil or sweet almond oil. This is 1 tablespoon, and then you want to mix that up. The fun thing to know about this is that this has a little bit of chemistry in it, which is really cool. The citric acid and the baking soda, whenever they're combined with water, that's what makes them fizz. It causes a chemical reaction to them, and it fizzes. The oil acts as a bonding agent, which is pretty awesome, so that keeps the powder together. And then you'll notice later I'll be putting some witch hazel in there, and then that'll really work as the bonding agent for them. So now for the fun part where you get to make your own colors. You can use food coloring at home, which is pretty cool. I have some soap coloring at my house, so that's what I'm going to use, but you could easily use food colorings. If you want to make them more colorful, you'll use as many bowls as you want for colors. If you're only going to use one, you can pretty much just add it into your mixing bowl. All right, but you want to kind of evenly distribute the powder that you made. And then this is whenever you add in your colors. So I'm going to use red, yellow, and purple. I also use my fork to mash it too. The other thing too is if you want to add things inside, you can eventually do that. But what I want to do next is mine is not really staying together. The way that you can tell if your bath bomb parts are ready to be put into the mold is if they start sticking together a little bit. It should resemble like a wet sand. So that's why I have this witch hazel. Is if it's not doing what you anticipate, you want to add just a little bit of that. It is going to fizz, so you're going to want to do them one at a time, and you're going to want to stir it up and mash it. All right, so it should look something like this, where you can mold it together and it'll stay together and look like wet sand. You don't need a lot of witch hazel to do that. So once you have all of your colors ready, what you're going to do is you're going to take your mold, and really recommended if you have plastic wrap to put it into the mold, because it'll be easier for it to come out. And it's literally just putting a little bit of plastic wrap around it. And then literally you just take some of your colors and you squash them in there. And you want to fill them up a little bit more than their mold. And then you want to just put them together. In the kit, you'll get ornaments, because that's something, if you have the ornaments that's split in half, that's something easily that you can use at home if you don't have something. But yeah, you just want to squish them together And what I usually do is I put them in the fridge and then, or in the freezer, and then I let them stay in there for at least 24 hours. This one, unfortunately, broke like a little bit apart, but it's the same recipe, and I'm really excited to get to use it. So, and that's all there is to it. Then you'll have an awesome bath bomb that you can use later, whenever you want, which is great. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your awesome bath bomb that you're going to make. And please join me next week. We're going to be doing a glitter mask, which is really cool. And that one also has a take and make kit available too if you would like it. So thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe to our page, and I'll see you next week. Bye.